In this lesson, we will create the floor of the building and learn how to calculate areas. To create the floor, it is necessary that there be no opening in the floor plan. Currently, the only opening in the building is the door opening. Therefore, I will activate the Line tool to create a line at the door opening. Automatically, the door's opening closed. However, if I orbit the scene, I can see that the floor has also been created. To restore the door opening, I will click on the surface to select it and press Delete to remove it. At this point, I will move on to show you how you can calculate the area of a surface in SketchUp. In the first example, I will calculate the total area of the building. To do this, I will select the surface, then right-click on it, hover the cursor over the Area option and click on Selection. Automatically, the Area window appears, showing the area of the selected surface, which in this case is 87.97 square meters. At this point, I should mention that there is a faster way to calculate the area. I will close the Area window and take a look at the Entity Info tab of the default tray window. Notice that there is the Area field, which displays the area of the selected surface. In case you want to measure the area of a single room, you have to divide the area with the Line tool. In this example, I will measure the area of the room on the right. I will activate the Line tool and create a line at the door opening. Then I will press space to activate the Select tool, and I will click to select the surface of the room. Notice that the area of the room is 25.5 square meters. If I wanted to add more rooms to the calculation, would hold down the Shift key and continue selecting surfaces. Notice in the Area field that the value changes accordingly as I add surfaces.